All right, good morning, y'all. It's currently 9:21 a.m. There's really two scenarios that I'm watching for today. Price just swept these key highs, so I'm just going to stay patient, see if we end up getting confirmation to the downside to look for shorts, or if price continues to move higher, I'll look for continuation longs into the next set of highs. The main thing for me today is just not forcing anything too early on, and I'll catch y'all at market open. All right, the market's been open for about 15 minutes now. We've started rotating to the downside. We have a nice bearish SMT right here with ES being the leading index. We did break 5-minute structure to the downside on both the indexes, so I'm just waiting for a nice retracement into this 5-minute fair value gap, which we just got. And then after that, I'll just be looking for rotation to the downside to confirm that we want to continue this bearish trend on the 1 minute, and I'll be looking to enter shorts down to these draws on liquidity. If we close below this 1 minute low, I'll be taking shorts on ES. Got about 5 seconds till this candle closes. All right, we ended up breaking structure. Going to enter short, put my stop loss right above that 5-minute fair value gap, and then going to set my take profits at these draws on liquidity to the downside. All right, so as you guys can see, I entered short on ES. I am going to take half my position off at London low, another half at Asia low, and then my final take profit, which is pretty ambitious, is at the end of the new week opening gap. So let's just wait and see how this trade ends up playing out. Whoa. All right, I just got taken out of that trade. Not too sure what that was all about, but I did end up pretty much hitting my daily loss limit. That's pretty unfortunate. Not too sure what that influx of volatility was all about, but I did get stopped out of that trade. Ended up being a loss. It was, in my opinion, pretty high quality setup with taking out key highs, London high, over here also another hourly high, creating that high time frame SMT. On the low time frame, we also had, upon market open, another bearish SMT, but on the lower time frame, that ended up being completed right when we swept out that low and got the breaks of structure, the retrace into the fair value gap, and then confirmation on the 1 minute to sell. As you can see, I lost $192.50 after fees, and I'm okay with that loss, just part of the probability. I was patient, waited for all the confirmation I needed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.